Welcome to this example of what can be done with a game engine called Cryengine 3. This whole world, the guy in it, some of the artificial intelligence, the entities, all this has been done within a few hours of work. There's no programming involved. Everything can be done through the interface of the Cryengine 3 SDK. It's very cool. A lot of the physics that you don't have to think about, everything is already in place, so you can just have a guy run around in the maze. He can use a boat or he can walk. So right now he's going to jump out of the boat and then he's going to counter one of the enemies that I put in this world. He'll have to go around the corner and loading his gun. I mean, all this can be done with key commands. Once he's in place, he can just start firing on the artificial intelligence, then go to the next place where I put a ladder in place so he can go climb up on top of the maze to see what's going on. As you can hear in the back, there is a helicopter. Well, that is his objective. He needs to go to the helicopter and fly off so he can have a bird's eye view of this maze. It's really cool. I mean, not only can you make first-person shooters, but there is possibility to use this game engine for any other purpose. You can use it for architecture, you can use it for visual learning, you can use it for, well, I mean, there is no limit to what you can do with this engine. You can model objects, 3D objects in Studio 3D Max or Maya, and then export it especially for the Cryengine 3 SDK. This means that the pipeline from Studio Max to the Cryengine game engine is really easy. If you want to create characters, that's a little harder. I looked into it, and that will take a few days before you actually have a rigged character inside the game and having to do all kinds of animations. That is a lot of work, obviously. But just using the SDK, the toolbox as is, you can do this in a few hours. It's absolutely cool. It's really awesome. And well, I'm glad that I actually found this free SDK. You don't have to pay anything for it, unlike Unreal Engine. Only if you're going to distribute your game, then you definitely have to make a deal with them because, well, I think they take like 20% of all the sales. But wow, one word, wow.
Achieved with Cryengine 3.